Hey there, ready to spread some love right from your doorstep? Let's dive into creating some heartwarming DIY Valentine's Day decorations to boost your home's curb appeal. Feeling unloved by your home's Valentine's vibe? It's time to change that. Imagine painting a heart right on your front door, or hanging a wreath made of pink and red fabric scraps. Let's light up our exteriors with fairy lights in heart shapes. Decorate our mailboxes with love letters and a sprinkle of glitter. And what about a Love is in the Air balloon display? The sky's the limit. Watch as we transform simple materials like felt and twine into a beautiful heart wreath in this fun, sped-up clip. Now, let's bring it all together. Decorating the front door and porch with our DIY creations, adding those festive details that say, "I care." Step back and admire the transformation. Our doorstep is now bursting with love, ready to welcome anyone with open arms. And there you have it, a doorstep that's not just a doorstep, but a declaration of love to the neighborhood. Don't forget to share your creations with us using the hashtags Valentine's Day or Door Decor. Let's spread the DIY love. And remember to share the love with me by sharing this video. Give a love tap to the like button. And don't forget we love you too. One lucky new subscriber on Facebook will win a gift card from Lowe's. Chris Kunor Henthorn Real Estate, 321-229-7698.